Most affiliate campaigns don't fail because of a bad offer or product. They fail because marketers use the wrong creatives, landing pages, and a totally wrong approach. And finding the right combinations leading to a winning campaign can take weeks of testing and cost thousands of dollars in ad spend. And that's why in today's video, I'll show you exactly how I brainstorm ideas for all my affiliate campaigns within a couple of minutes. And this process usually helps me find winning creatives, converting landing pages, and ad funnels that's currently working for other advertisers on ad platforms like Facebook ads, TikTok ads, push and in-page ad networks. And the tool that I use for my ads research is called Spy House. It is an advanced research tool that lets you see creatives, landing pages, and ad funnels your competitors are using right now. Which means instead of starting a campaign completely from scratch, Spy House removes the need for guesswork and trial and error. And this alone lets you leverage real market data to create and optimize your own campaigns or improve existing ones so you can find winning campaigns much faster, which means you'll be saving valuable time and thousands of dollars testing random ideas. And so you can see active campaigns in over 185 countries and over 12 million creatives daily. So this is a must-have tool if you are a serious affiliate marketer and media buyer. It lets you research ad campaigns on Facebook ads, TikTok ads, push and in-page ad network. And so the goal isn't to copy someone else's campaign, rather to analyze what's currently working in your niche or for your target audience, and then use those insights you've gathered to launch better and well optimized ad campaigns for your promotion. So, in a nutshell, the real value here is the more you understand what's currently working in your target market, the easier it is to create a winning campaign and stay profitable. Also, with Spy House, you can find creatives in many verticals such as sweepstake offers, app install offers, e-commerce, dropshipping, and the list goes on as you can see on your screen. So the very first thing you want to do is to click on the first link in the description, which is going to bring you to their website. And as you can see right here, they've been awarded Best Spy Tool, as you can see on your screen. All right. So once you are on the website, all you just need to do is to scroll down. And as you can see, you can test out their Spy Tool for absolutely free by clicking on the try for free button. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page and you want to then click on sign up. And just like any other website out there, you want to enter your basic information and you'll be able to create an account right away. Once your account is created, your dashboard is going to look like this. And don't worry, I'm going to go over how to use this tool to scale your affiliate campaigns easily. Okay. So the very first thing you're going to see is this creative section. And just like I mentioned earlier, you can use Spy House to see creatives from various platforms like Push Ads Network, in-page networks, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, and adult networks as well, if you are into that. Okay. So depending on the platform you're working with, this is your starting point. And one of the cool features of Spy House is that you can search for creatives based on keyword. All you just need to do is to type in keyword of your niche or whatever product you're promoting here, and you're going to see various creatives. Okay. You can also search for creatives based on countries as well. And you can also search for creatives based on the date they've been active. Okay. And you can even do more in-depth search by clicking on this button right here. Okay. So you can search based on language, browser, device. So you can really get detailed with this tool right here. So the search you're going to be conducting is going to depend on the type of creatives you're looking for. Okay. So you can come over to in-page push as well. As you can see here, there are so many creatives here you can use to get ideas as well. You can come over to Facebook. As you can see right here, there are a lot of creatives, and you can filter to any niche of your choice. As you can see right here, if you are into sweepstakes, you can select that. If you are into apps and games, this is really up to you, and it's going to depend on what you're looking for. The same goes to TikTok as well. As you can see, you can filter your search to any of these niches, or you can come over here and select specific countries you want, or you can type in a keyword, or even do a detailed research if you want to do that. And finally, you can come over to adult as well if you want to look for adult creatives. So once you come over to Facebook as an example, and let's say we are interested in the sweepstake niche, so I'm going to select sweepstake. And once I do that, I'm going to come over to countries and I'm going to filter to United States. All you just need to do is to click on search. And just like that, you're going to see a lot of sweepstake offers that are currently running on Facebook. And you can click on this load more button to see even more ad creatives people are currently using to make money on Facebook. Okay, right. So if I take this one here as an example, which says $1,000 cash out credit. So all you just need to do is to click on this icon right here. And you're going to see every details of that campaign. All right. So if you scroll down here, you are going to see the title they are using for their ads. You are also going to see the description they are using for their ads as well. All right. And now you are going to see when the campaign started running. You are going to also see the landing page they are using as well. And one of the cool feature of this tool is that you can copy this landing page and you can download it to your device. All right. And to do that, all you just need to do is to come over to the landing section. Once you do that, as you can see for yourself, I have downloaded some landing pages myself. All you just need to do is to paste in the link to that landing page in this box and you want to click on download. Then once you do that, the landing page is going to be downloaded right away. And then you can then click on this button right here to save the landing page to your device. So if I click on the landing page, as you can see, it's going to bring us to their landing page. And this basically gives us insight on how to structure our own landing page if we are into this niche. Okay, so coming back to the creative section, this is how you can really get ideas on what people are currently doing in your niche. And also another cool feature of this tool is that if you find any creative you like, just click on this button to download it to your device right away, right? And another cool feature is this favorite section here, which lets you come back to this campaign anytime you want. All right. And just like I mentioned earlier, you can play around with these filters depending on your niche and depending on the type of offer or product you're promoting. Okay. So this is a very powerful tool, okay, used to get ideas for your own campaign and see what is already working for your competitors. And so you can pick a CPA offer or you can use an affiliate product from platforms like clickbank.com. Just like I mentioned earlier, you can use this tool to see the type of creatives that is working for any product or for any niche of your choice. All right. So now that you know how to use SpyHouse to look for creatives across multiple platforms and various niches, you want to come over to the tariff section. And this is where you can select any of the plans depending on the amount of search requests you want. All you just need to do is to click on activate. So once you come over here, as you can see, they have various payment methods. As you can see on your screen, you can use USDT, Pay2.House, Capitalist, or you can use user balance. And this user balance is where you want to deposit to your account first before making the payment. And you can deposit to your account directly by coming over to the finances section. Okay. So once you select your payment method, you want to type in XB marketing in this promo code section. It's going to give you 30% discount. And just like I mentioned earlier in this video, if you are into affiliate marketing for the long term, then SpyHouse is a must-have tool. So it gives you access to creatives, landing pages, and marketing tactics advertisers are using right now. This is going to help you spot trends early on and make smarter campaign decisions, which in turn saves you valuable time, eliminate unnecessary testing, and help you get a positive ROI much faster. And learn a lot from Spy House by coming over to the blog section if you want to do that. And if in case you encounter any problem using the platform, you can always reach out to your manager right here on Telegram. As you can see, they are definitely going to help you out with whatever questions or whatever assistance you may need using the tool.